The Early Childhood Education program is a 2-year Associate of Applied Science degree that studies N to 10, which means newborn to 10 years of age. And we look in this program about how children develop and then how educators work to create a very intentional environment for teaching and learning. Some of the key skills that we work on in the Early Childhood degree program are that idea of hands-on, minds-on learning. So we know that young children learn best when they experience things. So our ECE students experience things and then practice the way they would teach them when they enter the workforce. So we count with manipulatives, we write on the chalkboard, we read a ton of books. With an associate's degree in early childhood education, you're prepared for entry-level support positions within the field of early learning. What this means is that you can have a position as an assistant teacher, a lead teacher depending on the environment and licensure of the facility, or you can own and operate your own child care. Students with an associate's degree in early childhood education could look to move into a bachelor's program at a 4-year institution.